Here we go. Hey up, my fantastic numismatic artistic friends. It's MasterTemple here. I hope you're all doing fine and dandy. Good stuff. We've got the Till Raider book out, which means we're going to try and fill this book full of the commemorative coins that we're finding as change. That we go out to the shops and we ask for picture 50p's and picture 2 quid coins, but only when it's safe to do so and necessary to do so. I do this from time to time, and you know, obviously you've got to go to the shop and buy your essentials, and some shops only take cash, so that's what we do, and we follow every single strict guideline and recommendation going. So that's what we're going to do. Let's have a look at the book. Now, forgive the glare, but we only need Commonwealth Games England, okay? So we've got Northern Ireland. In fact, we've got Northern Ireland twice. We've got Scotland and Wales. We've got a fair few others. A couple of Olympics there. We've got Robert Burns, King James's Bible. We've got Mary Rose and another Olympic over there. And on this page, fantastic Magna Carta. Absolutely love that. And we've found that a few times now. Shakespeare's, all 3 of them. Happy days. And we've got an absolutely belter. I don't know if you can see that. And we're getting these quite a lot round here. And these First World War army pals. I'm getting them quite a lot. So the new batches or the new releases, obviously they're not new coins. They're like, what, 5-year-old now? 4 or 5-year-old. But they're obviously new to be released. And we're getting tons of them. Great Fire of London, and then we've got the Territory one there, just above. Can you see? Just above the NIFC part. Okay. Alright. 50p's, looking a bit bland in places. We need Kew Gardens down at bottom, but who doesn't need Kew Gardens? And then we need a couple of Olympics, a couple more Olympics, another Olympic, and I think that's it. That is it. We've got the duck. We've got the 2017 shield. Now, 2017 shields they're like hen's teeth for me to find, because when you go into a shop and you say, can you look through your 50p's and things like that, they won't pick out a shield. Same with the Britannia, so it's just by pure luck and looking in your change that you will get one of them, or I will get one of them. We've had about half a dozen Newtons since we started this book, which is good going. Flopsy Bunny, Tiddly Mouse, right down to diversity. Now, right down at back, we've got an NIFC coin there. That is the 2019 Girl Guiding. I found that, got it in my change from a local shop. I didn't actually realise till a day or so later. Down here I've got my little tally chart where I'm ticking off diversity. So far we've got 21, and Commonwealth Games 2 quiz. It's just a little bit of fun just to see how we go. So that's the book. What else have we got? We've got the piglet over here. This is Caledonia Coins, fantastic gift. Give me the piglet, and I've got a Bungles sticker on there as well. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Yep, so hope that we don't want goes into Old Pig, ready to be dispersed far and wide when I can. Okay, now just before we get on to the coins, did you see the epic video I put up on, was it Monday, Decimal Day video, a challenge bungle set for me? It was amazing. I haven't got it to hand at the moment, but I made the statue of the coins that make up the Decimal Day coin. If you haven't seen that video, I urge you to go see it. I mean, it takes 25 minutes, like, so it's a bit lengthy, but it's entertaining. Put it this way, it's entertaining. It was really fun to do, and the comments that have come in, I haven't replied to them all, but I will do. I'll get around to replying to them all. They're absolutely heartwarming and fantastic, so I applaud you all who's left me a nice comment, and those that have left me a comment will go into a giveaway in a couple of weeks' time. We'll go into a giveaway, so if you know, go and comment if you haven't done so already. Right, enough jibber jabber, Dan. Get the book out of the way. Let's get the coins over. So we've got some 2 quid coins, and we've got some 50 quid coins. I wish. 50p's. Now let's have a look at these. So I'm going to try and zoom this in. So we've got the first coin there. Now let me zoom in to an appropriate level. I think that's about right, isn't it? Now I am messing about with this setup, so let me know how it's going, folks. Right, first one is a Brunel. We don't need this Brunel for the book, but it's a fantastic one to have, so we'll pop that Brunel. We'll have him there. The next one we've got, now if my hands looked a bit battered as well, it's because I've been doing a lot lately, so paint and oils and all sorts in there, so forgive me for that. We've got a Trevithick, a steam locomotive. I absolutely adore this kind with all the gears and the cogs and the sprockets and all sorts on there. Looks absolutely fantastic. It's right up my street, that one. Not that I'm a train spotter or anything like that, but I do appreciate a good piece of engineering. Good piece of engineering structure. Great. I'm just trying to figure out what this one is. It's Brunel's portrait. Now I don't know if you can see, it looks a bit battered this, but I'll get him a bit closer. No, it's a bit hard to pick out. Where it says £2, sometimes that P on the pound is cut off by the silver middle section, and it's called two downs or something like that. Pretty common, I suppose. Anyhow, pop you there. Right, now this is a modern portrait, the 5th portrait, so let's have a see. We've got Shakespeare's histories. Now these are everywhere. Shakespeare's in general are everywhere. I've seen less skulls, but more or less we're seeing the crown. And there's his triplet buddy there, the comedies. Pretty nice one. And then we've got another comedies. Honestly, you can't get these away around here. And then finally, the belter of them all, we've got ourselves a Territory 2 quid coin. Thank you, Keith. This was Keith Cakes. I went in and got me bits and pieces from him, and there you go, Dan. I love it. It's the rally cars from 1998. I have a rally car. I don't know what date it is on it, but I'll double check. But yeah, absolutely cracking coin. So that's that. So we've got 6 different designs over the last few weeks. 7 coins in total. Which in bag going? Right, let's grab a bunch of 50p's and have a look at these. Alright, so 2017. We've got a Peter Rabbit from 2017. Pretty standard coin, really. You find that everywhere you go. 2020. And then we've got a Brexit. Bit of coolness on the Brexit. Okay, 2019. We've got a Team Cathedral. I was Team Cathedral, but it's a draw, so it's a draw. And I think Absolute Coins has set me another little challenge, so watch this space, folks. So you can live there. 2020 again, another Brexit. Again, they're like horse muck in a field, aren't they? They're everywhere. Can I say that? Just okay, 2016. Well, we've got a Peter Rabbit there from 2016. That's a bonny little coin, isn't it? That's a bonny little coin. Now, some say that this is the Flopsy, the fake Flopsy. I quite like that. Okay, a really grimy and grubby 2017 here. What's this going to be? That's another Peter from 2017. We've got a 2016 again. Can it be a duck? Well, I know it's not a duck, but you guys don't. It's really grubby as well. May throw that one back. 2020. Another Brexit coin. And another 2017. Benjamin Bunny. Now, you've got to check for rotations on these, because it's been known, or it's been found, that the Queen's head's twisted. I will sign that, and I will pop that back into a vending machine or something on my travels. Right, last few coins. 2018. We've got a People's Act. again, it's a lovely coin, but suffers from high mintage. We have got a 2004. It's Roger Bannister. Now, like we found the Guild guides, this were a part of that set, so you've got to check those ones as well. We have 2006. That's the Victoria Cross medals again. Check that because they were in the military set. Okay, 2020 Diversity. So this is the newest coin that's out in circulation, and this is the one that I will be keeping and putting on the tally chart at the end. Okay, 2017. We've got another Peter. 2019, and we've got Paddington's brother down there. He's at the tower. 2017, we've got Tom Kitten. Have we made the set? No, we've no frog, have we? Okay, last one. I think it's the belter of the hunt. Okay, and it's a Flopsy Bunny. A Flopsy Bunny. My favourite Peter Rabbit Beatrix Potter coin is the Flopsy Bunny. I do have this in silver proof. It's the only one or two silver proofs I've got, and it's an absolutely stunner of a coin. So you can tell, really, if you look at them side by side, they're very similar coins, aren't they? Very similar. Anyhow, that's the belter from the 50p's this time, and that's the belter from the 2 quids. So, have you been tilgrading? Have you been coin hunting? I want to know what you've found. Have you got a good one? You get something good for your collection? Let me know. Go check that video out. I do appreciate all your support, so if you could like and subscribe, that'd be amazing. Anyhow, do take care. I'll see you all later, and of course, happy days.